Good morning, students. In our previous class, we have discussed about person and subject, verb, object. Because without knowing person, you can't understand tense. Today, we are going to learn simple present tense. In my previous class, I have told you what is the identification of simple present tense and structure of simple present tense also. If you remember, I have said you, if a sentence ends with ता है, ती है, ते हो, ता हूं, that means given sentence is in simple present tense. मैं जाता हूं, मैं खाता हूं, वे लोग पढ़ते हैं, all are in simple present tense. Now, the structure of simple present tense is subject plus either simple form of verb, that means V1. V1 means simple form of verb. Go, write, sleep, run, play, write. Or V5, that means fifth form of verb. And I have told you how can we make fifth form of verb? Adding suffix s or es. One more important thing I want to discuss. In my previous class, I taught you person. There are three kinds of person: first person, second person, and third person. Here, remember one thing clearly. Fifth form of verb means V5. When we adding s or es in a verb, that is called fifth form of verb. Mean go, goes, write, writes, play, plays, sleep, sleeps. So, the fifth form of verb is used only with the third person of singular number. I repeat once again. Fifth form of verb is used only with the singular number of third person. And I have told you in my previous class, what are the singular number of third form? He, she, it, and name. Remember here, name, not names. Means single name. Now, look at some examples. Ram goes to school. Here, Ram is a name of a person and single name, only Ram here. That's why we use V5. Go plus es, goes, and then object. They play cricket. Here they is also in third person but in plural form. That's why we use here play. Simple form of verb, that is V1. I go to school. I, singular number of first person. So we use here also V1. I mean simple form of verb. My father loves me. Here, my father is also singular number of third person. That's why we use here loves, fifth form of verb. Be clear. My father, my brother, my sister, my dog, my cow, all are in singular number of third person. But when we say my dogs, my horses, my cows, my brothers, my sisters, these all are also in third person but in plural form. So we use with them simple form of verb. Now we will see how can we change affirmative sentence, mean positive sentence, into negative in simple present tense. Look here. I go to market. मैं बाजार जाता हूं. Positive sentence in simple present tense. Its negative is I do not go to market. मैं बाजार नहीं जाता. In next example, Ram plays football. Ram football खेलता है. And its negative is Ram does not play football. Ram football नहीं खेलता. Look, what's the difference between these two sentences? Here, do not, and here, does not. Why? In simple present tense, helping verb is in hiding position. छुपा होता है. हेल्पिंग वर्ब इसका छुपा होता है. and helping verb of simple present tense are used only with either negative sentence or interrogative sentence. Do and Dutch. Do and Dutch. I again repeat, person. Because person is very important to understand tense. Dutch. Dutch is used only with the third person of singular number. Dutch is used only with the third person of singular number. And with rest number we use do. I also want to point out one thing. If we use Dutch, verb will be in simple form. Normally, sentence with simple present tense in third person of singular number, we use V5, that means fifth form of verb. Ram plays football. But whenever we goes through negative or interrogative sentence, we use simple form of verb, not plays, play. Why? Why we use first form of verb in the place of fifth form? Because fifth form of verb is already used here. Dutch. Do, did, done, doing, Dutch. Do, simple form. Did, second form of verb. Done, third form. Doing, fourth form. And finally, Dutch, fifth form. So, we use here fifth form of verb already. That's why we can't use plays. That means fifth form of verb here. Because in single sentence, we can't use double fifth form of verb. This is the critical position. And students oftenly does mistake here. So understand the difference. In our next class, we will see about simple past and simple future also. Thank you.